Hello friends, I am HL Gupta. I am going to discuss illustration 38 of joint and byproduct of CMA inter first group. Okay, please read the questions here. Please, please read the question here. Illustration 38. In manufacturing the main product A, company process the resulting waste material into the two byproduct B and C. Main product A and byproduct B and C using the reversal cost method. This is a reversal cost method. By the product, prepare the comparative profit and loss statement of the three products from the following data. Profit and loss statement you need to calculate. Okay, first you have to understand what is the reversal cost method. Reversal cost method. The reversal cost method I am going to make you understand. Reversal cost method. Please try to understand. Suppose this is the process. Okay, after this process, this is the point of split up, and the three main A product and byproduct B and byproduct C is made. This expenditure is incurred 68,000. This expenditure is a joint cost. This expenditure is a joint cost. Okay, there must be some sales revenue here. Sales, sales, sales. Okay, after the sales, if you subtract a profit, and if you subtract separation cost, if you subtract any administrative cost incurred, if you subtract the any selling expenditure, after this cost, these all costs are incurred after a split up point. These all costs are incurred after a split up point. Separation cost, administrative cost, selling cost. These all costs are after the splitter point. If you will subtract, then finally you will have that is the joint cost. Okay, joint cost. So first you have to subtract this, you have to calculate the sales minus profit, thereafter separation cost, administrative cost and selling cost, and the resultant point will come, that is the your joint cost. That I am going to look at here. For reversal cost method, as per reversal cost method, as per reversal cost method, joint cost of several product is calculated as please look at here how it is calculated here. Calculated as, first you write sales revenue, less profit, you have to subtract profit, total cost, joint less separation cost. Separation cost means separate cost. Separation cost if include administrative cost, selling and distribution cost, if any expenditure, any cost incurred after split up point, after the split up individual product, that are subtracted, that are subtracted, then that is the total joint cost will come here. Joint cost is calculated like this. It means first you have to sell minus profit, total expenditure incurred. Thereafter you have to subtract all cost after a split of point. After a split of point, that is after subtracting this cost, you will get the joint cost of each product. Okay, in the given product, in the given case, in the given case, please try to understand in the given case. Look at it. In this case, joint cost for A, B, C are given 68,000. What will be the joint cost for A, B, and C? It is not given. Sales revenue, this is given. Sales revenue, this is given. This is the cost after separation. Cost after separation, and this is a, this is estimated selling expenses as percentage of sales. Percentage of sales. Selling expenses is given also percentage of sale. This also can be calculated. Estimated net profit of percentage of sale. This is also given here. On the basis of these, you can calculate joint cost of B and C. Okay, joint cost of B and C. Administrative cost is not given here. Okay, okay. In the given case, calculation of joint cost for byproduct A and B. The here byproduct A, this is the byproduct B, byproduct A and byproduct B. What are these? 16,000 sales revenue, 24,000, and the profit is given here. Estimated selling expenses are this. Profit is given here 20%, 30%, and selling expenses is given 20%, 30%. Okay, profit you have to search 1624. So here sales revenue 16,000, 24,000 less profit 20% of 16,000. This is 3,200, and this is 30% of 30% of 24,000. This is 72. After subtracting this, you have total cost. Total cost. So what will be the total cost? After subtracting this, you will get the total cost. Then total cost will be 16,000 minus this 13,000, 12,800. 12,800. This 70. So this is 17,000, 16,800. 16,800 less separation cost. Separation cost is given in the question 4,800, and this is 7,200. 7,200. Thereafter, you have to calculate selling expenditure less selling expenses. Selling expenses, this is given. Selling expenses 20% of sales, that is 3,200, and this is 20% of 24, that is 4,800. So after this, you have to subtract this. Then what will come? This is a joint cost. Joint cost. So this is 4,800 is the joint cost here. 4,800. In this case, 4,800 is a joint cost here also. Okay, we have calculated joint cost of byproduct A and B. So how will calculate the joint cost of B? Calculation of joint cost of main product A. Main product A. How will you calculate joint cost of main product A? Please look at here. Joint cost of main product A. So here total joint cost is given. Total joint cost is given 6800. Total joint cost is given 6800. And now you have to subtract the joint cost of A and B, and this can be subtracted. Rupees 68,000, out of this 68,000, 4800 for A, 4800 for B, then this is 58,400 rupees, 58,400. Now you have to calculate profit. What is estimating? Prepare the comparative profit and loss statement of the three products. In this case, the preparation of profit and loss statement, you write here. Table showing profit and loss statement of three products. Table showing profit and loss statement. Now profit and loss statement, I am going to show the profit and loss statement. Please look at it here. In this case, A product you have, main product, byproduct A, byproduct B, this is your total. Look at it. Byproduct A, byproduct B, total. Now look at it. Joint cost already we have calculated. Joint cost 58,400, 4,800, 4,800. This is your 68,000. Okay, separation cost. Separation cost is not given here. Separation cost for this is the 4,800. This is the 7,200. That is the 12,000. Okay, selling expenses. Selling expenses. Now look at here, main product. What is the selling expenses of main product? Look at here. Estimated selling expenses of the sales revenue. This is a 20%. 20% of sales revenue 1,64,000. So 20% of 1,64,000. This is 32,800. This is a 32,800. The selling expenses in this case 32,800. Okay, this is expenditure we have already calculated 3,200. This is the 4,800 and total 40,800. 40,800. Now after this 40,800, separation cost and total cost. Separation cost, selling expenditure, this. Now total cost. Total cost you have 91,200. This expenditure 12,800. This expenditure is 16,800. Total 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Thereafter we have given sales revenue. We have sales revenue here. What is the sales revenue in this case? Already given in the questions. Sales revenue already we have 1,64,000 of main product, 16,000 of byproduct A, 24,000 byproduct C. Then main total 8,83. Total sales revenue 2,04,000. This is a given here. 2,04,000. Then what will be the profit? Profit in this case, this minus this. Suppose this is a A, this is the B, then profit will be A minus B, and that is 72,800, 72,800, 3,200. This is a 7,200. That is 1,20,000. 1,83,200. 83,200. Okay, beta. In this way, we have shown the profit statement of these questions. Okay, beta. That this is set. This we understand from this question reversal cost. Okay. Thank you, class. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos as much as you can. Okay. Thank you, class.